Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to provide you the answer of multiple choice question of chapter number 4 and short response questions. Question number 1. Supervised learning is one of the main category of statistical modeling, data waggling, data collection, and evaluating modeling. The correct option is statistical modeling. Question number 2. For accurate data collection in existing data, ये वो existing data की बात कर रहे हैं. Existing data from dash is acquired sampling department, modeling techniques, and meteorological department or educational department. The correct option is meteorological department, that is option C. क्योंकि वो एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा की बात कर रहे हैं, न्यू डेटा की बात नहीं कर रहे. अगर वो बात करेंगे न्यू डेटा की तो फिर हमारा सैम्पलिंग डिपार्टमेंट आएगा. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट. Natural disaster prediction helps the people to take preventive measures against pandemic, cyclones, data analysis, and temperature. That is the correct option is B, that is cyclone. Question number 4. A linear regression model is a mathematical equation that allow us to predict a response for a given predictor value, variable, intercepts, and model. The correct option is predictor value, that is option A. Question number 5. A point where graph line meet the y-axis is called y-axis, y-intercept, y-coordinate, y-dimension. The correct option is y-intercept. That is option B. Question number 6. Clustering algorithms are example of classical learning, professional learning, unsupervised learning, or D option is cognitive learning. The correct option is unsupervised learning, that is option C. Question number C, unsupervised learning. Question number 7. We can create our own database by generating some random number by using Python code, data code, system code, or pseudocode. That is the number by using pseudocode. The correct option is D, that is pseudocode. Question number 8. During summer, people of hot regions consume more cold items. This information is called dash. A parameter, population, statistics, random sample. The correct option is statistics. Statistics. Question number 9. If there are some flaws in data collection method, after analyzing such data, the result would be more accurate, huge, no result can be drawn, or erroneous. The correct option is erroneous. क्योंकि अगर डेटे में फ्लॉ होगा तो रिजल्ट तो ड्रा कर सकते हैं, और वो रिजल्ट चाहे वो फेक ही क्यों ना हो, that result is a erroneous result. We can say directly erroneous. Question number 10. Experimental data design is a tool used to dash the result effectively. Add, evaluate, organize, and test. The correct option is evaluate. Next is short response question and answer. List out the parameter and statistics from given statement Average length of height of giraffe is parameter. This is the parameter. Average weight of a watermelon is statistics. There are 430 doctors in a hospital. That is the statistics. Average age of students of 6th class in a school is 12 years. That is the statistics. The number of a basketball team players having height above 6 feet. That is a parameter. क्योंकि a parameter, a numerical value that describes a characteristics of population. It is usually fixed or unknown. जबकि statistics, a numerical value that describe a characteristics of a sample. Question number 2. If you want to make a report regarding the product exported from Pakistan in the last 5 years, how libraries can help you to collect data? Right steps. Number 1. Visit library and access statistical yearbooks. Number 2. Collect export data by year and product category. Second step. Third step is note credible sources, authors, and publication years. Number 4 step. Compare with online trade data for verification. Question number 3. Make a pie chart of vegetable prices in the market. Consider 5 to 10 vegetables. And what you will write? Example data based on representation. Suppose I have written potato, that is 20%, tomato 15%, onion 25%, and carrot is 10%, and cabbage is 30%. Then use any pie chart total or manually represent it graphically. This is a way to represent the data in form of a pie chart. Question number 4. Enlist steps to represent the monthly temperature of a Pakistan city in 2023 from January till December using a line graph. Collect monthly temperature data from official sources. Okay. Label x-axis with months and y-axis with the temperature values. Plot data points month-wise. Connect points using line to form the graph. Now, student, this is the last question. If you have any question, you can ask me. Student, if you like my video, please, you can share it with your friends. And if you have any question, you can ask me in comment. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.